What should I do if I am unable to recover my lost data after initializing my PS4?
Welcome to our video on how to tackle the tricky issue of lost data after initializing your PS4. It's frustrating when this happens, but don't worry. We've got a few strategies that might help you get back on track. Remember, it's always crucial to keep regular backups of your data to prevent loss.
Why does data loss happen?
When you initialize your PS4, it essentially means that you're resetting the console to its original factory settings. This process deletes all user data and settings, including any games, user information, and applications. So, if you're unable to recover your lost data after this process, it could be due to not having a backup or not being able to access your backup files.
Can I recover my lost data?
Unfortunately, once you've initialized your PS4, there's no direct way to recover your data if you haven't made any prior backup. This is because initializing permanently erases all data. However, you can recover your downloaded games, achievements, and trophies by logging back into your PlayStation Network (PSN) account, as this data is tied to your account, not the console itself.
How can I retrieve my downloaded games, achievements, and trophies?
To recover your games, achievements, and trophies, follow these steps. 1. Turn on your PS4 and log into your PSN account. 2. Navigate to the Library section on your home screen. 3. Select Purchased. Here, you should see a list of all your previously downloaded games. You can re-download them onto your system without any additional cost.
What if I have PS Plus subscription?
If you're a PS Plus member, you're in luck. PlayStation Plus automatically backs up save data from PS4 games to the cloud. So, if you've enabled this feature, you may be able to restore your saved game files. 1. After signing into your PSN account, go to Settings. 2. Select Application Saved Data Management. 3. Choose Saved Data in Online Storage, then Download to System Storage. 4. Select the games you wish to recover data from. Your saved game files will be downloaded to your PS4. We hope this video has been helpful in addressing what you can do if you're unable to recover your lost data after initializing your PS4. As a friendly reminder, it's always a good practice to keep regular backups of your game data to avoid similar situations in the future. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming!